At this moment, feel embraced by a special and sublime energy, for something magical is about to happen. You have not reached this point by chance. Your guardian angels are guiding you toward a profoundly significant message, especially meant for someone extraordinary in your life. Allow me to reveal something surprising. This person, perhaps without knowing, has been deeply touched by your unwavering determination and tireless commitment. Throughout their journey, they have dedicated themselves tirelessly to finding their purpose, exploring various paths and possibilities. However, despite all their efforts and the numerous directions they have taken, they still feel that something essentially eludes them, preventing them from living a truly meaningful life. Each step they take is accompanied by a constant feeling of lack, as if something crucial is always out of reach. This absence of clarity and completeness consumes them, creating a persistent gap in their existence. They strive daily to understand what is missing, diving into deep reflections and seeking answers from different sources of wisdom and experience. Yet, the answer continues to evade them, remaining elusive and distant, like a puzzle that cannot be solved. This relentless search for meaning and purpose often leaves them frustrated and discouraged, but also determined to find the missing piece in the puzzle of their life. They know that discovering this piece is crucial to achieving personal fulfillment and completeness. It is in this context of search and discovery that your presence becomes so important and transformative. It is fascinating to see how the angels reveal that you are an inexhaustible source of inspiration for this special person. They observe and admire the intensity of your passion for everything you love. Whether in your work where you put all your energy and dedication, in your unwavering faith that guides your actions and decisions, in your hobby that brings so much joy and satisfaction, in your personal life full of warmth and meaningful connections, or in your commitment to social causes that make a difference in the world, your passion is evident. Every aspect of your life reflects a genuine enthusiasm that does not go unnoticed. Your dedication in each of these areas not only transforms your own life, but also lights the path for those around you. What makes this passion so sublime is the ability to see it in various facets of life, allowing it to reveal and flourish in a spectacular way. You not only find joy and purpose in your activities, but also inspire others to seek the same. Your energy is contagious, and your example motivates this special person to continue their own search for meaning and fulfillment. They watch closely how you dedicate yourself to what you love, facing challenges with unwavering courage and determination. Every move you make, every effort, and every achievement is witnessed by this person who admires you so much. They see in you an example of how passion and commitment can transform any task into a meaningful and inspiring mission. Your ability to face obstacles without hesitation, to stand firm in your convictions, and to dedicate yourself entirely to what you believe in is something they observe with deep respect and admiration. This person who admires you so much understands that you possess a burning fire in at least one of these areas, whether in your work, hobbies, personal life, or the causes you support. They realize that this inner flame is what drives you, what makes you wake up every day with a clear purpose and renewed energy. This passion you demonstrate is a magnetic force that attracts and inspires them to seek a similar path in their own journey. They want to find something that makes them feel the same way, something that awakens in them the same intensity and enthusiasm. However, it is natural that at some point they feel a slight envy. They wonder why passion seems to flow so easily in you while they struggle to find this inner flame. They may feel discouraged to see how you handle your passion so naturally, while they still seek to understand where their own vital energy lies. This comparison can be difficult for them, generating doubts and uncertainties about their own path and purpose. They may wonder why it seems so easy for you to find something that motivates and fills you with enthusiasm while they struggle to discover what truly moves them. This sense of inadequacy can be challenging, but it is important to remind them that each person's journey is unique and that there is no single formula for finding purpose in life. It is essential for them to understand that purpose is not limited to passion alone. Not everyone needs to find a burning passion to live a full and meaningful life. The true essence of a purposeful life can be found in the simplicity of existence. It is about learning to appreciate and value the small moments, those that often go unnoticed but together form the fabric of life. Purpose can be discovered in the pleasure of enjoying this wonderful world we inhabit, in genuine connections with other souls, and in the ability to find joy in everyday things. The beauty of life lies in the ability to find contentment and satisfaction in small moments. It can be the joy of a meaningful conversation with a friend, the pleasure of a walk outdoors, or the satisfaction of a job well done. These moments, although simple, confer a sublime meaning to life. This special person, who is so inspired by you, may be in an endless search for a deeper and more meaningful purpose in life. However, perhaps they do not realize that this purpose manifests in everyday experiences, in the authentic connections we establish with others, and in the love and care we leave in every life we touch. Often they are so focused on finding something grand and spectacular that they end up neglecting the beauty and value of the small moments that, in reality, make up the essence of life. They need to understand that purpose is not necessarily something grand or spectacular. The true meaning can be found in the simple joys of everyday life and in the daily acts of kindness and compassion. It can be present in a shared smile, in an act of helping someone in need, or in gratitude expressed for a moment of tranquility. These small acts and moments, although they may seem insignificant, are what truly enrich our lives and confer a profound and lasting purpose. It is important for this person to recognize that the search for purpose does not need to be a monumental task. Instead, they can start to value the small things that often go unnoticed but together form the beauty of life. They should be encouraged to find joy in simple things, such as a meaningful conversation with a friend, the satisfaction of a job well done, or the pleasure of appreciating the beauty of nature. By learning to value these moments, they will begin to realize that purpose can be found in every day, in every interaction, and in every act of kindness. Therefore, your guardian angels ask that you remind this incredible person that purpose is a personal and multifaceted journey that can manifest in various forms, all equally precious and gratifying. It is important for them to realize that every interaction, every smile, every act of kindness contributes to a deeper sense of meaning in their life. The authentic connections they establish with the people around them, the compassion they demonstrate, and the love they offer are essential parts of this journey, and each one adds value and purpose to their existence. You can help guide them to this understanding by showing them that true purpose often lies in the simplest moments and most unpretentious actions. They should learn to value and celebrate these moments, understanding that they are the building blocks of a full and meaningful life. Help them see that their purpose can manifest in caring for others, in seeking justice, in creating beauty and joy, and in dedicating themselves to causes that make a difference in the world. Reminding him that purpose is not a final destination, but a continuous journey can be crucial. He must understand that the meaning of life is not only in great deeds or achievements, but also in the small victories and everyday moments that are often overlooked. By beginning to appreciate and value these small things, he will discover that his life is full of purpose and meaning. Show him how every small act of kindness and compassion he offers has a positive impact on those around him. Encourage him to continue to cultivate these qualities in his daily interactions. This will not only enrich his own life, but will also have a profound and lasting effect on the lives of those he touches. By doing this, he will begin to see that his purpose is intrinsically linked to how he relates to others and the good he does in the world. It is also essential for him to learn to be kind to himself, recognizing his own needs and taking care of his well-being. Life's purpose includes finding a balance between giving and receiving, between caring for others and caring for oneself. Encourage him to allow himself moments of rest and reflection so that he can recharge his energy and continue his journey with renewed vigor and clarity. Help him see that his purpose can manifest in various forms, from dedication to his family and friends to commitment to greater causes that benefit society as a whole. Every act of love, every demonstration of compassion, and every positive contribution he makes are elements that build his purpose. By guiding this person to this understanding, you will help him live a fuller and more rewarding life. He will begin to realize that true purpose is present in every moment lived with intention and love. And thus he will be able to continue his journey with a lighter heart and a clearer mind, knowing that every step he takes is imbued with meaning and value. By declaring Amen, you claim for yourself the greatness of these words and the blessings they contain. This affirmation is not just passive acceptance, but an active commitment to live according to these principles. You are recognizing the importance of love, compassion, and connection in your life and committing to cultivating these qualities every day. This declaration is a way of reaffirming your purpose and aligning yourself with the positive forces of the universe. And to further multiply these blessings, share this video with 5 other special groups who also aspire to this inspiration and divine guidance. By doing this, you are spreading light and hope, helping others find their own path and connect with their purpose. Every person you reach is an opportunity to make a difference, to touch a life, and to create a positive impact in the world. Be inspired to continue being an example of love and purpose, knowing that your actions have a multiplying effect. Your dedication and passion not only enrich your own life, but also have the power to inspire and transform those around you. By sharing your journey and discoveries, you help create a more connected and compassionate world. Therefore, do not underestimate the power of your daily actions and your interactions with others. Every small act of kindness, every word of encouragement, and every moment of authentic connection contribute to a better and more loving world. Help this man see that he too can be a source of light and inspiration, that he has the power to touch lives and make a difference. Remind him that his journey is unique and valuable, and that every step he takes toward his purpose is significant. With your support and guidance, he can discover that the true meaning of life lies in everyday experiences and the connections we make along the way. May he find peace and joy in each moment, knowing that he is contributing to a better world with every act of love and compassion. By living this way, he will not only find his own purpose, but also help others find theirs. But the journey does not end here, my friends. There is something deeper to be discovered, something that goes beyond the limits of your zodiac sign. Yes, I am talking about your moon sign and the phase of the moon at the time of your birth. These elements reveal hidden secrets, influencing your strengths and passions, and revealing your potential for abundance, love, and prosperity. Just as the moon influences the tides, it also influences your energies, virtues, and the paths you follow. Your lunar reading will help you adjust your sails toward positive influences, allowing you to vibrate at the frequency of the universe, ensuring that your potential for abundance and prosperity flourishes exponentially. The moon sign is a powerful guide to better understand your emotions and inner nature. It reveals aspects of your personality that often remain hidden, bringing to light talents and abilities that you may not have fully explored. By understanding the phase of the moon at the time of your birth, you can identify the most favorable moments to make important decisions, start new projects, or even to reflect and renew yourself. This understanding provides a unique advantage, allowing you to better align with the natural cycles of the universe and make the most of the available energies. Imagine being able to navigate life with a star map that shows not only where you are, but also where you can go. This knowledge gives you a clearer view of your abilities and the opportunities within your reach. Knowing how lunar influences shape your daily reactions and choices can transform the way you live, work, and love. When you tune in to these energies, you begin to notice a more intense synchronicity in your life. Doors begin to open in unexpected ways, and opportunities arise more frequently. Your intuition strengthens, guiding you to make decisions that resonate deeply with your true self. You feel more connected to the world around you and more aligned with your life's purpose. Moreover, this understanding helps improve your relationships. By knowing the lunar influences in your life, you can better understand your emotional needs and those of your loved ones. This creates an environment of greater empathy and understanding, allowing you to build stronger and more harmonious connections. Therefore, do not underestimate the power of your moon sign and the phase of the moon at the time of your birth. These tools are essential to unlocking your true potential and living a life of abundance and fulfillment. By aligning with these energies, you pave the way for a journey of continuous growth and success. Prepare to explore these influences and see how they can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Open your heart and mind to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Every step you take, guided by the stars, brings you closer to a fuller and more fulfilling life. And now, stay tuned for the next video, where a word of encouragement and faith awaits you. Let yourself be enveloped by these powerful energies, connecting to the universe and the deepest essence of your being. May these messages touch your heart, illuminating your days in the most difficult moments. Remember always that you are never alone on this journey. A higher force protects and guides you every step of the way. Let these words resonate in your soul, bringing peace and comfort in times of trial. Now is the time to take this flame of faith and love to the world, radiating it to all those who need light in the midst of darkness. Share these messages with your loved ones, becoming a beacon of positivity and hope. Remember that you are an instrument of positive change, guided by divine hands. May God always be with you, wrapping you in a warm embrace of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.